Okay, let me start off by explaining my digital assignment 1. The topic is Infineon microcontroller and the specification is XMC4800. So let's start off with the first question where it says to explain about the block diagram. As you can see here, the block diagram consists of the CPU, the GPD MA0 to 1, the Ethernet, the USB cable, and the bus system is also shown here where it is connected to different types of memory where it includes the PMU ROM and flash, PS RAM, DS RAM, DS RAM 2, EBU, etc. And to explain about its specifications, it has the CPU subsystem, CPU core where it performs at a 32-bit ARM Cortex, 16-bit and 32-bit Thumb2 instruction set, and a floating point unit. It has a memory protection unit, nested vector interrupt controller, and many more units. And to explain about the chip, has 16 KB on-chip boot ROM, 96 KB on-chip high-speed program memory, 128 KB on-chip high-speed data memory, 128 KB on-chip high-speed communication memory, and etc. as given here. So coming to the other specifications, it has a die temperature sensor, a watchdog timer, position interfaces, a real-time clock module, and it has ports. And as you can see here in the part B of the first question, it gives the internal diagram of the microcontroller, and the ports 0 to 6 have been given here along with the number of bits in each port, which as port 0 has 16-bit, port 1 has 16-bit, port 2 has 16-bit, port 3 also has 16-bit, and the remaining 8, 12, 7 respectively. And as you can see here, it gives the top view of the microcontroller with all the pins numbered from 1 to 100. Okay, coming to the next question, they have asked us to give the machine cycle requirement and the memory required, flags affected, etc. So the clock cycle is given here from 1 to 12, and it is the 12 cycle latency due to the core. So the Ethernet cable, the frequency of each of the things have been given. The system clock works from 32 kHz to 144 MHz. And the CPU system and its peripherals are also given in the clock source for WDT, can be independent from CPU clock. The addressing modes have been given here, and the types are absolute, base plus short offset, base plus long offset, pre-increment, post-increment, circular, bit reverse, etc. The microcontroller architecture is given as below, where it has a bus matrix, a debug and trace, memory protection unit, and a floating point unit. And these are the specifications of the interrupts, the tri-core embedded system, etc. So how do we correlate with the architecture that was given in the first module? It has scratched RAMs, it has an execute unit, integer execute unit, and 2 general purpose register files, and it has a RISC architecture which we have seen in module 1, where all arithmetic instructions use registers. These comprise of 16 data registers and instruction set architecture, providing a load store instructions that fetch the data from the memory and store it back to the memories. This allows a fast interrupt response. So we can say that this microcontroller works as a fast interrupt response. And the comprehensive library of the peripheral module options, DMA and debug, while both the type SRAM, DRAM, ROM, flash and OTP, and size of an on-chip memory are configurable. So coming to the register organization, the values and register names are given as below in the table. And D15 is used as an implement data register, A10 is used as stack pointer, A11 is a return address register, A15 is implicit base register, etc. Explaining the type of the algorithm which is used here. for calculations of signed and unsigned, addition, multiplication, etc. It has the instruction set of 16 and 32-bit formats. For the 32-bit format, the 16-bit are a subset, and the 32-bit instructions chosen because of their frequency of use and included to reduce the code space. In the 16 bits, there are 2 operand alternative to 3 operand ALU instructions, implicit source, small constants, short branch displacement, short load or store offsets, etc. And as you can see given here in the table, which is green and white, the uh, the instruction set is given, which arithmetic and multiplication has been asked in the question. So ALU operation has and the cycle counts of each thing are been given with respect to ARM, Cortex and Cortex M4. The load and store instructions are given, which move data with can be 8, 16, 32 or 6 up to 128 bits. Arithmetic instructions have been given below as move, multiply with multi-word result, multiply with multi-word result unsigned, then multiply add instruction, multiply add with saturation, multiply add with saturation unsigned, then multi-word result unsigned, etc. It has divide, adjust, absolute value, minimum, maximum, and conditional add not, conditional subtract, and the logical operations, shift operations, as we know already. Find what control logic unit is required. So the control by peripherals, it has input and output path where there uses a pad driver